Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreCAD tutorial how to copy between drawings. So for example, you can draw a circle and another I will draw rectangles. And if you want to copy like these circles, move into the rectangle, you can select the circle object, go to modify and then choose move or copy. Okay, I will click from the center point and then I will move into here. Now you can choose delete the original or keep the original. Click OK to copy. I will select again this circle, move to modify and then click move or copy. Click for the base point. I will click in center point and then I will move into here. Keep the originals, click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic LibreCAD tutorial how to copy between drawings.